So we started Pantry Exploits to help to document the process of turning a house into a home. We are both kind of rebooting, starting over a new chapter in our lives, and enjoying not being corporate citizens at the moment, but working closely with people who are and who need some support. A lot of the things that we're doing at home include redecorating, moving things around, repurposing things. Again, being as frugal as possible, wasting as little as possible, and making the most of a small space in which we live and work. You'll probably notice throughout our videos that we have a lot of incoming, a lot of artist-made things. With a background in the arts, I still have a lot of friends who are involved in the arts and love to collect things that are both beautiful and functional. I find that they're much more meaningful objects to live with and to use every day. And Bertie would like to welcome you to our channel as well. And you'll see photos of him fairly often, probably more frequently than you'll see photos of us. And we look forward to taking this journey with you. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.